Hi! Today we're going to talk about a super drink, kombucha. You've probably already heard that it's good for you, but today we're going over the top 10 benefits of kombucha so you actually know what it does. By the end of this video, you are going to be convinced to adopt kombucha and include it in your daily diet. Let's get into it. Number 1, probiotics. Kombucha is made by fermenting tea with something called a SCOBY. That's a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. It sounds kind of gross, I know. But during that fermentation, the drink becomes loaded with live, gut-friendly bacteria. Think of this as a smoothie for your microbiome. When your gut is out of balance, doctors call this dysbiosis. It doesn't just stay in your stomach. It spreads throughout your body. It can trigger inflammation that shows up as skin issues, weaker immunity, or even autoimmune problems. About 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. The probiotics in kombucha help restore order. They compete with harmful bacteria for space and food, pushing the bad guys out naturally. Unlike a supplement that has only one type of bacteria, kombucha has a whole community of different strains, and that variety is what makes your gut strong and resilient. Number 2, better digestion. Because kombucha is fermented, it contains organic acids and enzymes that help break down food. If you've ever felt super heavy or bloated after a meal, adding kombucha can help. The fermentation process creates enzymes like lipase, which breaks down fats, and protease, which breaks down proteins. These enzymes act like extra scissors, chopping your food into smaller pieces so your body can actually absorb the nutrients. As we age or deal with chronic stress, our natural enzyme production slows down, and that's when this external boost really matters. Kombucha also contains organic acids that make your stomach more acidic. Your stomach needs that acidity to work properly. It triggers the hormones that tell your pancreas to send out its own digestive juices. Without enough acidity, food just sits there fermenting instead of digesting, and that's exactly what causes bloating. Kombucha is what gets the whole process moving again. Number 3, antioxidants. Since kombucha starts off as tea, usually green or black, it inherits all the powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, and these fight off free radicals, the unstable molecules that cause aging and disease. But fermentation actually upgrades these antioxidants. The bacteria and yeast transform them into forms your body can absorb more easily, so they get into your bloodstream faster. Kombucha also creates compounds that don't exist in plain tea. One of them inhibits an enzyme that would otherwise trap toxins in your body. By blocking that enzyme, kombucha helps flush harmful substances out instead of letting them recirculate. The antioxidant power isn't just copied from the tea, it's enhanced through fermentation, and that's what makes all the difference. Number 4, blood sugar balance. This is huge for anyone watching their energy levels. Studies suggest that kombucha can help lower blood sugar. In one study, diabetic participants drank kombucha daily for 3 months and saw their fasting blood sugar drop significantly. Your body uses enzymes to break carbohydrates down into sugar. The compounds in kombucha slow those enzymes down. They don't stop them completely, but they make them work slower. So sugar enters your bloodstream gradually instead of all at once. That prevents the massive spike and the crash that follows. No more sluggish feeling an hour after a heavy meal. For steady energy and metabolic health, that's a game changer. Number 5, heart health. Studies show kombucha can help improve good HDL cholesterol while lowering bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. LDL cholesterol isn't dangerous on its own. It becomes dangerous when free radicals damage it. Once oxidized, it turns sticky and clings to your artery walls, forming plaque that narrows your blood vessels. The antioxidants in kombucha protect LDL particles from getting damaged in the first place, keeping them moving smoothly. The acetic acid in kombucha also helps the body burn fat more efficiently, which lowers triglycerides, protecting arteries while improving fat metabolism. That combination is what makes it so good for your heart. Number 6, antimicrobial. During fermentation, kombucha produces acetic acid and something called bacteriocins. Bacteriocins are proteins that bacteria produce to kill off competing bacteria. Unlike antibiotics that wipe out everything in sight, good bacteria included, bacteriocins are targeted. They go after pathogens like Salmonella and E. coli, while leaving your beneficial gut flora alone. The acetic acid also creates an acidic environment that harmful bacteria can't survive in. So drinking kombucha regularly reinforces your gut's natural defenses, which makes it harder for invaders to take hold. Number 7, B vitamins. The yeast in the SCOBY doesn't just sit there, it works. During fermentation, it produces B vitamins like vitamin B1, B6, and B12. These turn the food you eat into actual energy. B1 converts carbohydrates into fuel for your brain. If you deal with brain fog or trouble focusing, low B1 might be the reason. B6 is involved in over 100 enzyme reactions, including the production of neurotransmitters that regulate your mood. B12 is critical for red blood cells and your nervous system. And it's hard to get from plant sources, so this matters for vegans and vegetarians. Number 8, liver support. This is where kombucha really earns its super drink title. Your liver is your body's main filtration system, and kombucha helps it do its job. Your liver processes toxins from food, alcohol, medications, and the environment every single day. Over time, that creates wear and tear on liver cells. The glucaric acid in kombucha binds to toxins and escorts them out through your bile and urine, so they don't get reabsorbed and force your liver to process them again. Animal studies show this clearly. In one study, kombucha protected the liver from damage caused by a common painkiller, reducing markers of injury by 70%. We need human studies, but the mechanism is solid. Less toxic load means that your liver works better and recovers faster. Number 9, mental health. There is a direct line between your gut and your brain called the gut-brain axis. It runs through the vagus nerve, which travels from your brainstem down to your abdomen. It's a two-way street. Your brain sends stress signals that shut down digestion, but more importantly, your gut sends signals up that affect your mood. Your gut bacteria produce compounds that are precursors to serotonin, the chemical that makes you feel calm and happy. About 95% of your body's serotonin is made in your gut. When your gut is inflamed or out of balance, it sends distress signals that contribute to anxiety and low mood. A healthy gut sends signals of calm instead of stress. And that's exactly what the probiotics of kombucha support. And finally, number 10, a healthy soda swap. This one is simple, but life-changing. Sometimes you might want something fizzy and flavorful, but a standard soda packs about 40 grams of sugar, usually high fructose corn syrup. That sugar hits your system fast, overwhelms your liver, gets stored as fat, spikes your insulin, and crashes your energy, leaving you tired and craving more. It's a cycle that's hard to break. Kombucha is the exit ramp. It gives you the same carbonation and complexity, but with the fraction of the sugar, because the yeast consumes most of it during fermentation. You're not just avoiding the negatives of soda, you're actually getting something beneficial. Replace one soda a day with kombucha for a year, and you'll save yourselves tens of thousands of grams of sugar while supporting your gut, your liver, and your energy all at once. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of kombucha. And remember, start slow. 4 ounces a day is plenty to see how your body feels. I want to know which benefit surprised you the most. Are you already a kombucha lover? Or are you ready to try kombucha for the first time? Drop a comment below if this video helped you. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.